Hey, it's Tom Kreitler from the Money Pit, and I want to tell you about a new product from Greenworks that's perfect for people that need power on the go. This is called the 300-watt battery-operated power inverter, and it uses the existing 60-volt Greenworks batteries to deliver both 120-volt and USB power and have that power available for you wherever you need it and whenever you need it. Now, here's how it works. You take the inverter and you insert one of your existing batteries, push it down until it clicks, then just flick it on and you have both 120 volts AC plus 2 USB ports to power just about anything you need to. Now think about all the places you could use this. If you love to hike, you love to camp, take this along with you. You can charge your phones, you can charge your tablets, you can run a small television set or a monitor or watch Netflix with the power that comes off this inverter. If you like to go to the beach, you don't want to spend the first hour blowing up the beach balls and the rafts, bring along a small compressor, plug it in, and you're totally good to go. Now we put this to the test and pulled out a few things to see what it could power. Let's see what happens. Okay, everything's plugged in, let's check it out. So what have we powered off of our single 60-volt battery? Well, start with that Bose speaker, that's being charged. We've also got a tablet being charged. We're also charging this 15-inch laptop, and we're running this 32-inch monitor, which runs on 120 volts AC off of the inverter. Plus, on top of all of that, we've got a work light. So clearly this is a good addition to your house, to your garage, to your truck, to your car. It's going to give you that power when you need it and totally on the go. It has a 4-year warranty, and if you'd like to pick one up for yourself, you'll find it at Lowe's, Lowes.com, and also at Greenworkstools.com.